Many people want a better life. They want to feel happy. They want to feel calm. They want to feel proud of themselves. Many people want these things very fast. They think life should change quickly. When life does not change fast, they feel tired. They feel sad. They feel lost. But real life is not fast. Good things take time. We live in a world that moves very quickly. People rush every day. They want fast results. They want easy answers. They want success now. Because of this, many people feel pressure. They feel they are too slow. They feel they are late in life. But slow does not mean wrong. Slow is part of life. Think about a small child. A child learns many things slowly. A child learns to eat alone. A child learns to speak. A child learns to understand feelings. No child learns everything in one day. Adults know this. Adults are patient with children. But many adults are not patient with themselves. As we grow older, we forget how growth works. We think we should already be strong. We think we should already know everything. When life is hard, we feel weak. We feel like we fail. But growing never stops needing time. Even adults grow slowly. Many people want a calm heart. They want peace. But peace does not come in one day. Peace comes after many hard days. It comes after pain. It comes after learning how to accept life. Time helps the heart become calm. When someone feels sad for a long time, they may think this feeling will never end. At first, sadness feels heavy. It feels deep. But day by day, it becomes lighter. Not because the pain was small, but because the person becomes stronger. Time helps people heal. Think about trust. Trust is a good thing. But trust does not come fast. You cannot trust someone in one day. Trust grows slowly. It grows with actions. It grows with time. If trust comes too fast, it can break fast. Slow trust is strong trust. Life also teaches us patience through work. Many people work very hard. They wake up early. They try their best. But sometimes nothing changes. No one sees their effort. No one says thank you. These times are very difficult. But these times are not useless. These times are building strength. Good habits are also slow. If a person wants to live better, they must change small things. They must sleep better. They must eat better. They must rest when tired. One good day does not change a life. Many good days together change a life. Time connects these days. Nature shows us this truth clearly. A flower does not bloom every day. A flower needs sun, water, and time. Before it blooms, it stays quiet. People may walk past it and see nothing. But one day, the flower opens. Growth was always there, even when no one saw it. People are the same. Many people grow quietly. They change inside first. They become more patient. They become more kind. Other people may not see it, but this growth is real. Quiet growth is strong growth. Sometimes life feels slow and empty. Days feel the same. Nothing exciting happens. Many people feel afraid in these moments. They think life has no meaning. But slow days are not empty days. Slow days are part of life. They give us time to breathe. They give us time to think. Waiting is very hard. Many people hate waiting. They think waiting means wasting time. But waiting can be powerful. Waiting means trusting the process. Waiting means not giving up when life is quiet. Waiting means staying when there is no reward. Think about people who build a home. They do not finish in one day. They plan. They work. They make mistakes. They fix them. It takes time. When the home is ready, it is strong because it was built slowly. Life builds people in the same way. Experiences shape us. Hard times teach us lessons. Slow days teach us patience. Without time, we do not grow deep. Many people compare their life with others. They see someone happy. They see someone successful. They feel small. They feel behind. But every life has a different time. Some people find their way early. Some people find it later. Both lives are valuable. A person who finds peace later often understands it better. A person who grows slowly often becomes stronger. There is no right speed in life. There is only your speed. Time is not your enemy. Time is your helper. Time gives lessons. Time gives answers. Time makes pain softer. Time makes people wiser. Without time, nothing good can stay. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel weak. This is normal. You do not need to be strong every day. You only need to continue. Even resting is part of continuing. Many people think motivation must be big and loud. They wait for strong feelings. But real motivation is quiet. It is the voice that says, "Do not stop." It is the voice that says, "One more day." This quiet voice is very powerful. Look at your life before. You are not the same person. You learned from mistakes. You learned from pain. You learned from waiting. These lessons took time, but they made you who you are today. Good things take time because time makes them real. Love becomes deep with time. Strength becomes real with time. Peace becomes stable with time. Things that come too fast often leave too fast. So, be patient with your life. Do not rush your journey. Do not hate slow days. Slow days are part of becoming strong. Every small step matters. Every day you stay matters. One day, you will look back at your life. You will see how much you grew. You will understand why life moved slowly. And you will know this truth in your heart. Good things take time.